Hi, I'm Seng. So today we'll show you how to set the general and the payment types in FoodZaps. Okay, first go to the setting and then go to the general. So first you need to change to the current currency country into the Malaysia. So click here and you search Malaysia. So make sure you choose is English. So I click here. For the symbol, the default is this logo. So you need to change it into RM. Then for the rounding to the half, normally we'll put it this one. Then select on common sales tax or the remain. This one also left with remain. If you got service charge, just key in on here and your percentage also. If let's say you got SST or GST, you can put it here. And make sure you turn on. After that, just click save. Then you go to the payment type. So the most common way is cash. So you can select the icon for it. So normally you can select as a default or you choose this also can. After that, for the bill discount, just choose variable. And then make sure it's auto open cash drawer when the bill is paid. So for the payment denomination, make sure you key in as the amount below. This is for when you're doing the opening or closing, you need to key in how many coins and how many pieces of 1 ringgit, how many pieces of 5 ringgit. If you want to add another type of payment type, just click here, type add. Let's say you got accept boost, so I click boost pay, then I select the icon, I choose on the boost icon. After that, just leave it blank. Then you click add. Let's say you got receive bank transfer, then I click bank transfer. Then select the icon, so you can choose on the Maybank, for example. And if you need to key in the payment notes, just click here and you choose must enter. If not, then you just choose optional. Then just click save exit. So when you receive payment, for example, customer order like this, then just click here. So you can choose either pay by cash, boost pay or the bank transfer. So I click on bank transfer. So normally bank transfer is full exact amount, right? So I click exact and I click paid. That's all. So what if the customer is paid by boost? Very simple, just click here. Okay, so I select boost. Then you click exact, then you click paid. So let's say if customer is paid by boost and you need to key in for the payment notes, very simple. Let's say I click choose boost pay, and then from here I click here, so I key in for the payment notes. Let's say you put some notes or remarks there and you click OK. Then after that, just paid only. Other than that, there's some tips. So you swipe here for your tablet, click here. I will advise you to lock these apps. Other than that, you go to the apps info. So make sure your battery setting, you choose at not to optimize the battery usage, and at the same time it's allowed for background activity. That's all for today. Thank you.